Right, looks like we are live. So, welcome everyone. Today is the last day or the day where the 1000 GLMR is going to be distributed. So, we have to take a snapshot. Let's wait till 4 minutes. So, it will be 6 o'clock. So, I'll probably explain how I'm planning to do. So, basically, I've got snapshots on 23rd Feb, 26th March, and then 3 other times. So basically this will be the last time when I'll take. So anyone who has 2000 GLMR or lower at any point of time will be removed. So basically lower than 2000 GLMR will be removed. Then what I'll do, once that is done, all I'm looking for is I'll start checking the first condition. So people who are there in the very first week will have to be present, or those are the people who will be considered, because that is like the criteria that we have advertised already. So basically whoever is present here will be the persons who are eligible. Who have started new after that will not be eligible. So that is how we have advertised, and that is how we will do. So once we have compiled the list of people who are there, then we will randomly pick one winner and send 1000 GLMR. So what we'll do, we'll pick it today and we'll wait for a day, and then we will be distributing tomorrow, assuming there is nobody who has any sort of reservations or any sort of questions that you want to ask and all those things. So we'll wait for that a single day. So that's an opportunity for you to see if things are wrong or whatever it is. I don't think I'll make a mistake, but I want to go by the books and just kind of ensure that whoever is having a query or something, you can just always reach out to us to kind of get that thing sorted. Alright, so it's 58. No particular reason to choose 6 o'clock, so I thought it's a figure that I'll be happy with. So we advertised to 28th, so anytime. So basically 28th 6 o'clock seems okay. Alright, so till the time we are done, probably what I'll do, I'll go and filter out all those. Yeah, I need to figure out. Okay. Right, pay special now. Data. Sort sheet. Filter. Create a new filter. No, I'm not going to do that. That seems a bit wrong. Sort by color. Why is it so difficult for me to find that out? Okay, so let's go by data. Sort range, sort sheet, column. No. Filter views. No. Add a slicer. Yeah, this is what I think we need. Do you have an option somewhere else? Select column first. Nah. I don't want to mess it up. I don't have backup, so I'll do it the hard way. It's not a problem. Vertical align. So here it is. Filter functions. And this. Delete all filter view. I do not want any of that. New filter view now. So probably we'll sort it. Text rotation. Right. Okay, it's time. Anyways, we'll take that filter value out. Okay, here it is. So this is the latest value. So for folks, here it is. this is the final list. Alright, let's go and paste here. So let's go to data, split text to columns, did it automatically, custom separator, perfect. So it, why do I see a problem here? Are there any filters? No. Anywhere do we have any filters? No. Something probably is messed up. Alright, I think might not slice or what cells now. The slice. No. Alright. I think this would have been easier with Excel, but it's okay. I think we have all this what we need. Okay, so conditional formatting. It should be greater than or equal to 2000. Only then it is applicable, right? Just to be sure again. So moonbeam. Alright, so here it is. I'll put up by my name so that I know what I'm talking about. It's the pink one. Right. So it says take 2000 GLMR or more to participate. First snapshot will be 23rd, final one on 28th April, which is today. There'll be 4 other things. If you are present with snapshot which is greater than 2000 GLMR, you will take part in the raffle. Winner gets 1000. So the rules were simple. I think we just have to remove all those IDs which is not greater than 2000. So that we have to do it for everything, right? So here it's luckily sorted already, so I'll get rid of it, or in fact what I'll do, I'll make a duplicate and I'll do on that is easier. So I'll keep that as backup just in case things go wrong. I do not want to sound so silly. Alright, so 2000 or more, so it's 1970 and stuff. So ideally there are only 91 candidates. Rest of the people I don't think will be eligible. So the maximum that you'll get would be just 91. Among the 91 people, you will have one winner today. Okay, so here is the list. So now I'll just check for the first row. What I'll do, I'll just mark this as duplicates or insert duplicates. How would I do that? That's through conditional formatting. Yeah. So add another rule for this particular condition. So that will be between A and D. Duplicates. Okay, why do I need is not empty text greater than or equal. So much easier with Excel. Okay, text is empty. Do you see duplicates anywhere? No. Color scale. No. Single color. That's fine. Text contains. Alright, so I think enough time spent already. So it's time for me to get into Excel. Right, perfecto. So guys, I believe that's the best I can do now. Given that I don't want to spend too much time googling all this stuff. So what we'll do, it's a pretty simple task. So I'll just copy everything that I have here. Paste in Excel. Right click. What's wrong? Paste. Yeah, sounds about right. Right? Yeah. Now, okay, everything is done. So what I was looking for basically is I want these items and I'll eliminate okay, duplicates, conditional formatting. Here it is. Duplicate values. I'll highlight in red. So notes that are not present in row 2 are not eligible anyway. So we know there are only 91 eligible entries at the start. So now it will get even reduced further. So that person is removed. Obviously this person is also removed. This ID is not present in the second week, so that is also removed. So that's all good. So here is another record that is not found. This is also removed. This is also removed. So this was not present in the second week. So the condition was that you will have to be present every single screenshot that we're going to take. So these are all the folks who missed out. Sorry, can't help it. So now we are left with, we're done with this. So time to get rid of it. I do not want this anymore. Now I have to repeat this all over again. So conditional formatting, highlight rules, duplicate values. Perfect. So now the list will get even smaller. So I've seen these two people have gone. They haven't met the criteria. So this is removed. Done. So we have the second week or the second part done. So now I need to do that all over again. Conditional formatting, highlight cells, duplicate values. Yep. So here again, this person is no longer with us. So is this person. So the list kind of gets reduced and reduced and reduced. So it's like every time we took something, there's some significant amount of people who have left. So you must have 2000 or more to be eligible. So this is also done. I'm good. Thank you. So then comes this week. Conditional formatting, duplicate values. Alrighty. So people who have been there forever has also left. And there are people who have moved on. Doesn't matter. Notes for a lot of reasons. People might choose a lot of things. So here again, I'm trying to see, or conditional formatting, highlight cells, duplicate values. Do that all over again. Perfect. I'm happy with all these. Right, that is it. Okay, so here is the final list. So I'll sort them A to Z. Let's do that with this. Sorted largest to smallest. Sort. Here they stand. Okay, so this gives us only 62 entries. So one among the 62 will be the winners, but before I do that, I need to check few more things. Alright, so in snapshot, let's proceed further. So here is the list of all address that were present in all the weeks. So I think majority of the people missed out on the first week, maybe that could be the reason. So that's the reason why we are not able to choose them, but unfortunately what we advertised is what we advertised. I can't change that right now. So here are the people who are eligible. So now I need to figure out if all these addresses had greater than 2000 GLMR for every week, right? So ideally, how would I do that? Okay, let me check a few things. How would I do that? Okay, it's gonna be a little tricky. I think it can be done. Right, I've got something. So here, let's save it and take a copy of it. I don't see save. So why not take a duplicate of it. Now let's say present on all. Let's wait. No problems. More than happy to wait. So list of all weeks address. Now what we have to do, we have to ensure that particular values were present in all the weeks with over value of 2000. That is all we are trying to do. Yeah. Now let's increase this. Okay, address 1, amount 1. Happy? I don't want this. Let's put this to address 2, amount 2. I do not want this. Okay, so here it is, address 3 and amount 3. Oh, developed Excel, seriously genius. Just imagine, he just made things so much simpler. He or she, don't want to be a gender biased again here. Okay, so here are the 6 weeks data, and here are the list of weeks. Okay, delete, Shit cells up. Yes, please. Mount. So, what would be needing? What would I be needing here? So, I would go for a pivot. Simple and straightforward. I'm assuming it's gonna be easy. Not valid. Start date is organized. What am I missing here? Obviously, delete this. Okay. Eligibility 1 and amount. That's all I need. Let's go ahead and insert the pivot. Cool. So what do I need? Eligibility rows. Perfecto. Now what I need is amount 1 value. Is this the sum? Yeah, it has to be the mapping values. We'll go to that. So amount 2, amount 3, amount 4, amount 5, amount 6, and this actual amount is always greater than 2000. You see, I sensed this can happen. People kind of could have played around with this. Very nice. Okay, regardless, I would copy this. How many records we have? 60 odd, right? So here it is. I'll copy, put it in a separate sheet. I'll put it as values only, and that's good. So now I need to figure out everything that is lower than 2000. Values less than 2000. Highlight it right away. Oh man. So people have played, no, I wouldn't say played around. Let's give them a fair chance. So here are the list of people who have been present from start. So here I do not want people who have been in red. So now what I'll do, data filter, I will choose, I don't want to delete it all, so let's make a duplicate of it. Do you have the option of duplicate? No. So what I do, I would first want to make a copy of it first, or I don't want to do it here, I want to do it here. So here is what we have. Makes all the sense. I wonder if there'll be any let of people there. Okay, sort by colors, that's all I need. So basically what I'll do for that, I want to filter by color. Continue the current selection, sort. So here are the list of people who can't be eligible. Thank you for playing though. I'm good with that. So now I can go ahead and filter this No. What did I do? Right. Okay. I'll make it easier by this way. So all four, nothing. Here's the first person with all four. Here is the second person with all four. Oh man, this is so bad. I did not expect so little people to be eligible. But rules are rules. Can't help it. I don't see anyone getting qualified for all the weeks. Either the pivot table didn't work correct, or I'm so unfortunate. I'll have to choose only from 3 or 4 people. Or let me find. Okay. If you are present in all of the snapshots with. Okay, I've made it very clear. Yeah. I wanted to give it a chance, but sorry. I think it's very clear. So there is not a single row here whom or which I can kind of rely on. So does okay, literally there are only 3 entries, and one of that is the team itself, so I'm not gonna bother. I believe this one is the team's wallet. Yeah, I think so. They delegated 91,000 to all of us initially. Yep. You can see that they're still delegated with all of them. Makes all the sense. So we don't have to involve the team, or do we? We have to. We have 3 chances, 3 wallets. So we can go for it. There's only 3 wallets that's eligible. So sad. I really wanted more people to kind of participate. So how can I cross check what we have is right? Let's take this wallet. Let's go here. Okay, let's go to the copy of snapshots. So first thing first, let's find that out. So they had 38,000, then they had 39,000, they had 39,000, 39,000 and 39,000. What is wrong? The 6 entries, yes, good. Okay, looks like there is some sort of a problem. Why? Something to do with pivot tables and the way I did it. So basically it's sum. I don't know what sum. Where is this from? It's from here now. Now this is what we have. Correct. Isn't this right? Yes, it is. So now let's go ahead and check if the values coming from here are right. So we were checking for this record. Correct. So here's the record: 39,000, 39,000, 39,000, 39,000 and 39,000. So definitely pivot table messed it up. Alright, good, I noticed. I'm sure I'll notice. I'm not going to give it up that easily. And why is this the sum value? I can do something else to get it easier. Not the count or value. Do you have something like value? Show data as no calculation. Max minimum product. Account numbers. Why is it there? No. Okay, what's wrong? Why is this messed up? It doesn't really bother what value gets shown. Okay, so makes sense. I really thought I can do this easily. Doesn't seem to be the case. So what can I do? VLOOKUP is the only option, I guess. Let's do it, no problem. We have time. Okay, it's time to delete all this. So let's, where is conditional formatting, highlight rules, clear rules, meta sheet. Good. So we have the source here, and this is where I need. Okay, so this one is no longer needed. This is BS. Removed. This is also BS. Sorry to call that, but yeah, it was BS. Okay, so now we have columns called out correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is very nice. And we have the qualifying 62 members list here. And what I'll do, we look up what is the value I'm looking for. This is the value I'm going to match on. Okay, table array going to be on sheet 4. I'll do for column C and D, and I want the value 2, second value to be coming up, and I want that to be the exact match. Don't want any false values here. Okay, right. Before I do anything, I would go ahead and check list of all week's address. Yeah, here is it. This is the latest values. Okay, we look up. Yeah, makes all the sense. 91,000 should remain 91,000. Let's check some random value. 217 for week 2, 4,999. Makes sense. They made it 5,000 at some point, but yeah, generally speaking, I think this sounds about right. Okay, so this was with C and D. I can copy the same formula. I don't see any problems there. So instead of C and D, what is the next row? Instead of C and D, it will be E and F. Yeah. So same thing. You don't have to change anything. E and F. I'll copy the same thing here. F G H G H G H F G H I J I J I J K L. Alright, I J K L. So now I'll put all the values. IJKL sheet 4. Do we have anything more? Amount 6. KL and eligibility 1, which was the initial set of criteria. So I think that is it. So now Time for cross verification. Everything seems to be the same value. That's odd. No. Automatic. That's fine. $7.15. Okay. Let's take this account for example. So the sheet says 2,500, 500, 800, 800, 800 and 800. Okay. So 2,500 to begin with. 2,500 again. 2,800, 2,800, 2,500 and 2,800. So sounds about right. Okay, I want some varying values. So this person has constantly added values, so that makes sense. Control V, Control V. So what's the very first value that he's had? So 3867, is that right? 3867 is week, whatever it is, 9, that makes sense. 4011, 4011 is right. 3856.5 is okay, that makes sense. 3951.7, yep. Same, 3951.7, that makes sense. Two 2176.6. And finally we have 176. It should be on 4,000. 3,951, 3,951, 385. What is that value? I'm guessing it's 4,011.7. Yep. So that seemed right. So now here I need to verify accounts, which is okay. So now we have this, that's good. I'll make a copy of it with values alone, not with formulas, just with values. Okay, here I'll highlight cells. Okay, no, sorry, cancel. So here I'll highlight cells with values. I need to remove them, so let's put less than 2,000. I'm so glad. Imagine my relief. So let's cross verify. He's just ticked another 500 with us, nothing more, if that is the case or not. Moonbeam dot subscan dot we'll verify how much he has ticked with us. Yeah, I don't have to go there. What am I doing? Yes, he has ticked only 500 with us. Let's throw in a few more. So let's check this value. They are staked 3480.3 now. Brightly stake 3480.3. Don't go by this, wait for it to come. Yeah, you're doing good. Comparing others, again it depends. That's not a fair statement to make. Alrighty, so there's only one person who will be eliminated from this. So I'm glad rest of the people are there. We can remove them, delete it. Yes, I'm glad you did that. So let's put the numbers. $61, I'm guessing 61 people. Yeah, 1 to 61, which makes sense. And here is the list. Let's go here. So here is the final sheet from where I will take the raffle. As expected, it's slow. I don't know, I'll have to get a new laptop. So in the meantime, do we have any comments? I didn't announce this prior, so I think I don't expect people to come up. I'll announce that here. Let's wait for it to be done. Wait, no problems. Thank you. So here is the list, and I don't want anybody to know that I know some address and I can do things. So instead of that, I'll go with the numbers. Yeah. So here is the list of 61 numbers, and here is the reference for them. I've got no idea who's who. All I know is that we have to remove one account if that is the winner. That is basically the one with 91,000. That is the foundation who has delegated to us. Perfect. Now is the time. Drum roll stand. So we now go ahead and place all the address and then find out who's going to win. Okay. Right. Now all delete it. I've got 1 to 61. Yeah. So there are 61 entries, and I see the value 1 and 61 there. So everybody's there. Alright. Okay. So there's going to be only one chance. There's not going to be anything at all. So no retrial, no nothing. There's just one chance, and the winner is going to get 1000 GLMR. I'll announce this in Twitter to kind of watch this video and come back to us if you have any questions or anything that we have done wrong. If you can spot and let us know, I'm more than happy to help. I don't think we have made any mistakes. We have cross-verified multiple times. Okay. Now is the time to spin the wheel. Okay. So the winner of this particular event will be getting 1000 GLMR from us, and that will be number 52. Alright. So wait, obviously. So I'll take a screenshot for reference. So that if this video messes up for some reason, I still have some sort of proof. Wait. I really need a new machine. As simple as that. Come on. Windows Shift 4. Come on, Shift 4. Thank goodness. Screenshot taken. Well and good. Number 52. I really don't know who's that person. Let's go and find out. Number 52. Here you go. Here is this particular person. He is the winner. Highlight it. I've got no idea who's that particular person is. If you are watching, I'm not sure. Nobody's watching here, so you will be getting 1000 GLMR from us. Alright, okay, that ends the live stream. So I will send the amount only by Saturday morning or probably tomorrow evening. So till then, if you look at this particular video, you see any sort of problems or anything you felt was not done right or fair, let us know, which I don't think so. We have been constantly streaming, we have advertised what we are going to do, everything is done. So now we have the winner chosen, so he will be getting, or he or she will be getting the 1000 GLMR. Alright, thank you guys, I'll stop this now.